Guys, I ordered this thing on Sunday from BNR Performance. It's my 250 amp alternator for the Blazer. So thanks to BNR for shipping this thing super fast. I didn't pay anything extra. It was free shipping. We're going to take a look at it. It's overstuffed with foam. Oh, she's already looking good. A lot of copper in that thing. Picked this thing up for $130, including tax and all. My OEM alternator for my Blazer is like 88 bucks. If I wanted to just go buy a regular 90 amp one from AutoZone. This company's been in business since 1957. They build custom starters and OEM alternator upgrades. Probably going with the same company for the GTP, and I'm probably going to get a second one of these real soon. Oh. Here it is. It's got the Denso style plug. It's OEM. Of course, they're not going to give you any extras like they do with car audio alternators, like your Mechmans and your Power Bastards. They ain't going to give you a sticker, but it's about value for something that actually works. As long as it works like it says, that's what I care about. You can pick up a sticker, or make one that says BNR Performance on it. Oh yeah, it looks nice. Well, it shouldn't take longer than 35-40 minutes to get this baby up and rolling. I'll check back with you later.